A mixture of sun and clouds for this afternoon. Now going into the evening, 70 degrees. Those winds out of the south at 20 miles per hour. Dew point already into those low 60s. So that mugginess is already returning, and it's going to stick around in full swing through the next couple of days. And that's going to set up for a bit of that patchy fog during the morning hours. So make sure to drive with those low beams. But at this moment, temperatures hovering on either side of 70 degrees towards the west. 71 in Ontonagon, 68 in Ironwood, 69 in Florence. Towards the eastern half, mostly in those upper 60s, 67 in Manistee, 69 in Escanaba, 70 in Ishpeming, warm spot 77 in St. Ignace. But those winds really been howling throughout this afternoon, coming out of the south between 10 to 20 miles per hour, gust up to 30 miles per hour, 18 in Munising, 14 in Houghton. So make sure to hold on to your hats, everyone. Now for tonight, there is the chance for some showers and thunderstorms to roll through the area, so make sure to be weather aware. Then by tomorrow morning, we could be dealing with a bit of that patchy fog. Good news, though, for tomorrow, it's setting up to be a beautiful day. Good amount of sunshine. Thanks to the cold front that we have received today, temperatures are going to be relatively nice in those low to mid 70s. So really enjoy somewhat this cooler weather if you're a fan of the cooler weather, because by Saturday, it really goes up in a hurry, those afternoon highs. We're going to be getting into those mid to upper 80s, and there may be an isolated chance that some areas could even hit 90 degrees. So we're talking about record highs territory this upcoming weekend, but also in the morning hours. It's going to be a warm one as well. We could be dealing with record low maximums. So just make sure to stay cool starting on Friday. Now, before we get to Friday, though, we could be dealing with a chance of some overnight storms once again. So the nighttime hours could be a bit of a wild card tonight and tomorrow night. Now for today, though, we have been seeing the front itself beginning to lose a lot of its punch. Still can't rule out an occasional shower or thunderstorm through the early evening, but towards parts of lower Michigan, there's just been a bit more of a concern of that fog as well. So pretty much the northern half of the state has been dealing with some sort of fog throughout this morning and into the early afternoon, and that's going to gradually burn off temporarily before it redevelops during the late overnight hours into tomorrow morning. So for today, the setup has been thunderstorms in parts of Wisconsin and the western UP, tapering off the further east you go, but still an isolated chance. For tomorrow, here we deal with round 2 of those thunderstorms with a new disturbance coming in parts of Minnesota and North Dakota. That will be in full swing over our neck of our woods by tomorrow night. So once we get through tomorrow night, we'll have a good amount of sunshine through this upcoming weekend, but with a little bit of daytime heating of the afternoon, just the muggy and humid air intact, that could trigger just a small chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. So we'll keep those rain chances around 10% for this upcoming weekend, with temperatures really just soaring into those mid to upper 80s, 56 degrees, showers and storms early on, eventually patchy fog by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. Winds out of south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, mostly sunny and mild. That is the key word, mild. 76 degrees in Crystal Falls, 68 in Houghton, because by the time we get towards Friday, it's not going to be warm. It's going to be hot, both in the morning and the afternoon. Look at that, 87 on Friday, and then Saturday morning, 66 degrees. Sunday morning, 65 degrees, beginning to cool off, though more so closer to normal by Monday.